In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create background art in Squarespace. Squarespace is a powerful platform for building beautiful websites, and one of the best ways to make your site stand out is by customizing your section backgrounds with unique artwork. Whether you're designing for your brand, a personal project, or a client, adding background art can elevate the overall visual appeal and help communicate your message effectively. If you're new to Squarespace, check the link in the description to get started with your own account. Now let's dive into the step-by-step process of adding background art using the Fluid Engine editor. To begin, hover your mouse over the section where you want to add background art. Keep an eye out for the Edit button, which will appear as you move your mouse over the section. This is the first step in customizing any section within Squarespace's Fluid Engine editor. If the Edit button doesn't show up right away, don't worry. Simply move your mouse slowly along the edges of the section and it should appear. Once you see the Edit button, click on it to open the section editor. This will bring up all the customization options for that section of your site. Next, locate and click on the Background Settings option within the section editor. This is where you'll find all the tools you need to customize the look of your section's background. Now, select the Art option under the Background Settings menu. This is the feature that allows you to add stylized background art instead of a plain color or image. Using this option is a great way to create a dynamic and professional look for your website. Once you've selected the Art option, you'll see a curated collection of background art provided by Squarespace. These designs are professionally created to complement a wide range of websites and themes. Take your time to browse through the collection and find a design that enhances your site's visual style. You can choose artwork that aligns with your brand identity, communicates your message, or simply reflects your personal taste. When you find a piece of background art you like, click on it to preview how it looks in your section. This preview feature is incredibly useful because it allows you to see the art in action behind your content before finalizing your choice. Alternatively, if you have your own design or artwork that you'd like to use, you can upload it directly. To do this, click on the Upload option and select a file from your computer. This is perfect if you want to personalize your site with custom graphics, logos, or illustrations. Just make sure that your image is optimized for the web, for example, using a JPEG or PNG file with the appropriate dimensions, to ensure your site loads quickly and performs well. If you're uploading your own file, wait for the upload to complete. Depending on the size of your file and the speed of your internet connection, this process might take a little time. Once your background art is in place, take a moment to review the section and make sure everything looks good. Check that the background art complements your text and other elements within the section. This step is important because a busy or overly detailed design might distract from your content or make it difficult to read. If the design doesn't feel right, don't hesitate to try another art piece or adjust the layout of your content. Feel free to experiment with different combinations of background art and content layout until you're happy with the result. One of the great things about Squarespace's Fluid Engine is that it makes it easy to test out various options and achieve the exact look you're going for. Finally, when you're satisfied with your design, click the Save button to lock in your changes. This ensures your new background art is applied to your section and prevents you from losing any work if you navigate away or close your browser. And that's how you create background art in Squarespace. By following these steps, you can transform your website's sections into visually stunning designs that enhance your overall site. If you have any questions or tips about working with Squarespace, feel free to share them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.